In everyday life, safety seems so easy to provide. But when it comes to facilities like these, safety management is not as easy to handle. What about your company? How many workers are at their workstations simultaneously? And most importantly, how can you make sure they're all wearing protective clothing and equipment during their shifts? Researchers say up to 90% of workers respond saying they saw colleagues not wearing PPE when they should have been. It is obvious from these statistics that there are high chances of workers being traumatized. This is because safety teams cannot always identify violations perfectly and cannot always prevent people from getting hurt. So the question is, how can you cover huge areas with consistent, accurate monitoring? Meet SafetyRadar by Vitech Lab, which uses artificial intelligence software to monitor all your work sites around the clock. It uses CCTV streams from IP cameras to detect PPE on workers in real time. If someone forgot or isn't wearing even one protective item, the software will see this and send a notification to your safety manager. SafetyRadar is an automated assistant for your team, making it possible to catch up with all violations. It makes PPE monitoring centralized, constant, and ultimately accurate. Such automation reduces the cost of human-driven observation and saves time for other safety routines. Be sure all your workers wear obligatory protection in harsh environments. With SafetyRadar, it has never been easier to take care of your employees' safety.